Hi guys. So one of the most frequent questions I've been asked since becoming a YouTuber is, Vanessa, does YouTube pay? Vanessa, how do I get paid on YouTube? And today I'm going to be answering that question right here. If you're not subscribed, this is the point where you subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. I'm going to go into details, the requirements YouTube has outlined for you to get paid on YouTube. If you want to be paid on YouTube, these are things that must be on your fingertips. Like you must know and you must aim to achieve them before you can start getting paid on YouTube. The first thing is you have to have 1,000 subscribers. That's in having 1,000 of people clicking on the subscribe button for you. And so this is how your 1,000 subscribers should look like. So 10030 subscribers, guys. 1,000 subscribers. Also, you have to have 4,000 watch hours. And sometimes when I say 4,000 watch hours, people think, oh, okay, what do you mean 4,000 watch hours? Like, when I say 4,000 watch hours, I'm saying 60 minutes make an hour, and then in that 60 minutes making an hour, 4,000 of 1 hour. So 1 hour, 4,000 of that 1 hour. And you have to make sure that you have this 4,000 watch hours in 365 days, guys. It is not just an open space where you get 4,000 watch hours in any number of years that you want, in any number of months that you want to know. Let's say you wait 365 days and your watch hours is like 3,900 or 3,999. Guys, you've not hit it. You've not hit it. So if you wait 365 days and you've not gotten a 4,000 watch hours, it's now going to deduct from the other 365 days. So let's say I started January 1st, 2023. So December 31st will be the end of 365 days. So let's say I enter the 1st of January 2024 and I haven't gotten a 4,000 watch hours, but then my 365 days is up. They are going to start removing from the 1st January of 2023. So 1st January 2023, if I had maybe 100 watch hours just on the 1st of January, that's going to be deducted. So if you're not careful, if your new watch hours in the new year, which is now accumulating into the 365 days, is not more than what you've attained in the previous year, which is the past 365 days, then you're going to start declining. I reached a point where I reached 1,500 watch hours and I declined to about 900 watch hours, or like, yeah, I think it was 900 watch hours or like 800 watch hours. Guys, I was about to cry. I was about to cry. Then I knew that I had to get my gear on. I had to start again and I had to start full force. You can't do it for 6 months and be getting like 2,500 watch hours or 3,000 watch hours, and all of a sudden you just slack and you think that the watch hours is going to wait for you. No. Maybe in the space of 365 days, it's not going to reduce. It's just going to be okay. But at the end of 365 days, if you're aiming towards the 4,000, it will start reducing just because you've not been consistent. That is why consistency on YouTube is the first thing, like it's the most critical thing that any YouTuber should have. So in a situation where you have your 4,000 watch hours and it's now left with your 1,000 subscribers, and you've not had the 1,000 subscribers in a 365 days, guys, that's also bad news. My advice would be that just be targeting the two of them one way or the other, however you can do it. But it's easier to get 1,000 subscribers than 4,000 watch hours, depending on your niche and anything. So also for those that like to do short videos than long form videos, if your short views is higher and you have more people watching more than your long form videos, you can go for the option of having 1,000 subscribers and 10 million short views in a space of 90 days. It's very important to consider these times, because if even one day is past that day, there's no way they are considering you. So you have to make sure that you are hitting a target in that space of time. 365 days for 4,000 watch hours, or you can go for 1,000 subscribers and 10 million short views. And it's quite easy to also get a short. So you have to wait for yourself. Is your shorts moving very fast? I get a lot of views on my shorts more than I get on my long form videos, but it wasn't enough views as compared to the watch hours accumulated. It wasn't enough for me to use that criteria instead to try and gain monetization. So I started to focus on my watch hours. So you look at your niche, look at how your short is going, and if your short is giving you a lot of views and you think you can accumulate the 10 million in a space of 3 months, go for it. All the best. You're going to get it, guys. You're going to get it. So last but not the least, you should not have a copyright strike. Copyright is a big issue on YouTube. YouTube does not tolerate copyright in any form or in any way. So you have to master the art of not using copyrighted content, not using content that you can get copyright strike for, because that can actually delay your monetization. That can actually cancel you out from monetization. As you're getting all your 1,000 subscribers and your watch hours, you do not want to be cancelled, or you don't want YouTube to remove your channel, or you don't want to face penalty by YouTube by demonetizing you after all your hard work. Something that you should know that I didn't actually know when I was trying to get my watch hours. I thought the watch hours from the shorts counted, but guys, no, it doesn't count. Watch hours from shorts do not count. We are looking for watch hours from your long form video uploads. Also, any video that has copyright on it, as in it's not a copyright strike, but it's just that the song that you are using or any image that you're using is copyright, the watch hours do not count towards the 4,000 watch hours. So you have to be careful about all these things so that you will not be working in vain. In the shorts count, they're only counting your views on the shorts and not the watch hour on the shorts. So if you even did like a 30 seconds short and it has a lot of views, it's counting. You have a higher view, that is perfect. Not necessarily how long they watch the shorts for, but the number of people who are watching the shorts. So guys, this brings me to the end of today's video. I hope this video helps someone out there. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I got my 4,000 watch hours in a short time span, in a space of less than a month, guys. So see you guys in another video. Love, peace, and joy. Bye.